Okay, so it is a CAF Confederations Cup. Kaizer Chiefs won, and Zesco United, if I'm not mistaken, if that is the actual name, 0. So yeah, it was a match that like it was supposed to be won by both of them side, because like today, if I'm being honest, it was one of the most boring matches, especially my team available has played. But I think it was due to the fact that it was due to the fact that like a pitch available was not good, because I had to go to like my teams I for already they were playing available. I think yesterday and during the week again on the same stadium, and both of us is a square in Kaizer Chiefs they actually training available on that pitch, which is why it was hard for any of the two teams available to actually build up and akwazi ukuthi build up and then like attack and rotate vele the ball yabo, and like ukudlalela like a match that is actually beautiful. But yeah man, it is what it is. We are in Africa at the end of the day available, and we are still on our countries that's actually developing, as much as like PSL also like Mzansi were also like developing, but Zambia also they are still on the process of developing. An important win for into the almighty Amakhosi, yeah, my club. And if I'm being honest, sometimes you just need an ugly win available, because it is important to push you and go forward. So yeah, it is still a tough group. It is interesting. We're sitting on 4 points on the third position, and then we're the teams are phezulu kunathi available. It is into the Egyptians giants available, Al Masry, and then Zamalek available, which is a bit of like tough group for, it's like we're fighting for like number 2 stuff. So yeah, I hope like you're gonna be coming out of that group. And I think also Stellenbosch is actually playing today, and I hope they'll be getting results available. So yeah, let me just get to the match. So the match basically today, it was a thing you could see in the first half, as much as like it was a boring and hard game to watch about, but Kaizer Chiefs, it was a better half for them on the first half, and then on the second half it was a better half for Zesco available. And the thing is that as we're playing Vele away available, I won't criticize that much, as I'll be happy due to the fact available they even had like an advantage Vele as they were playing home available. So that is also another thing. And I heard about the treatment that they have been giving Vele our club, and I hope Uti will be doing the same. This is what we will have to see available on football. I go to listen to this complain and stuff, especially if like it came from management here too, and also into abo coaches vele yabo also yabo. So we just need to recognize vele izinto vele zinjalo ukuthi vele kube vele fair play and stuff. And yeah man, it is still gonna be a difficult journey. And then on vele image today, it was a thing yokuthi Polemodi got sent the first goal available with poor defense from like a side club of Vele, because they were not men marking Vele, he said Vele Zesco available. And then if I'm being honest, this that thing I can actually analyze on this match, because like the pitch either way bring a corner, and my balls are manning available, they actually lost around. But also like starting lineups today for like Eco, so we started with Mayo and Flavio Silva, and I thought good to maybe Flavio Silva will be Flavio Silva will start, and then Mayo will come available as into, and then as a pickup striker, but you were using Lilepo as a pickup striker, even though he was introduced as a winger. And then after some time Upadman also available, they also like introduced him. So yeah man, I don't have much to say on this match, but to just say congratulations. I hope we're keeping up the momentum, and it is still a beautiful week for the one and the only, the mighty as concede. And shout out to Peterson also, like for not like conceding again. He came up when like he was asked available to do so, because at the last minute. And then another guy today, it was that striker available, Sento Zesco, pretty dangerous guy if I'm being honest, but we didn't see much of him. And already like he has 4 goals available on this competition, and they're still sitting on 0 points. They are winless, they are drawless. So yeah, let's see what is actually happening. Good luck to Stellenbosch. And my man of the match, I don't know, but danko.